Good morning, good morning, good morning. Real quick video on substitution of linear equations. This is going to be a little difficult, but only reason why I'm making it just one sheet of paper is so that we can be exposed to it so that you're prepared for it in geometry and algebra 2. Don't stress. Next time we're going to be doing graphing, obviously a lot easier. Gonna go through this with you step by step, tell you what to do to get the answer, and this is for a grade. Okay, let's start with letter A real quick. First step in substitution is to recognize what they're telling us and what they want us to do. As we can see, we have a standard form on top and then a regular slope-intercept form on the bottom. I can use this bottom one to insert into the first one to solve for x. So let's do that real quick. First things first, I am going to use a highlighter to show you that, hey, y is by itself. I can use y and substitute it into that y. Watch. 2x plus 3. Not going to use a y, replacing it with the information, parentheses 5x equals 34. Now, take a moment to step back and see that, hey, all I did was replace this y with what we said it was already given. And then after that, you can use Math Solver. You can solve on your own. Don't forget, Math Solver is the math button, up, and then B solver. And then you get your answer with alpha, enter. Okay. You can put that into Math Solver, get your answer, boom, 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 you have your x, okay? Now, I'll do this one with you just so you can get an insight. 3 times 5 is 15. X, sorry, I forgot my border. Bring down the 2. Bring down the 34. We have all our x's on the left side, looks good. All numbers on the right side, looks good. I can add these two together because they're both x's. 2 plus 15, 17x equals 34. 17 and x are married. The only way to get rid of them is to divorce them, which is division. 17, 17. These cancel. X equals 34 divided by 17, 2. And that's my answer for x. After I get this part, I need to go back to the original and substitute it to here. Okay. So I'm going to use this guy right here. Y equals 5x. Instead of x, I'm going to use 2. Y equals 5 instead of x, parentheses 2. And then we can easily solve this. There's nothing to do other than just multiply. 5 times 2, y equals 10. And these are my answers. How would I write that answer? 2, 10. Beautiful. Letter B real quick. I'm going to skip C and D because we can do this on elimination. So I'm just going to make a little note right here that this is elimination for later on for both of them. So don't worry about this. I will give you the answer for D, which is no solution. And I'll explain why next time what the no solution means. Last problem. Okay. This one's a little funny because It's already ready to go. We can see that it says y equals and y equals, so I'm going to highlight both of those. And I can replace one another. Basically, what it's called is setting them equal to each other. This is how it's going to look like. So instead of y, I'm going to use this information, 3x minus 2 equals. Since I replaced this for right here, now I get to write the rest. 4x plus 2. And it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, you can use Math Solver, you can do it by hand. After you solve, you get your x equals. And then whatever you get from this x equals, go ahead and use one of these two to find your y. Definitely recommend using the bottom one so you can challenge yourself. Y equals 3 instead of x parentheses minus 2. So whatever number you get right here, you want to put it right there. Cool. Please try your best. You just want to get an insight. This is regular algebra. This is the basis and will not go away. Y'all have a terrific day.